Prepositions of direction. Your roadmap to clear communication. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're taking a journey to one of the most crucial corners of English grammar. We're going to dive into prepositions of direction. This video will give you a better understanding of how to correctly use these prepositions in your daily English conversations, making your expressions more precise and meaningful. Prepositions of direction are words that provide information about the movement or direction in a sentence. They tell us where someone or something is going. These prepositions include words like to, into, onto, across, through, and many more. Understanding and using prepositions of direction correctly can help you articulate your thoughts in English more clearly, making your conversations and writing more fluent and natural. Now that we know what prepositions of direction are, let's look at some examples to understand their usage better. 1. To. It indicates movement towards a place. Example: she went to the park. 2. Into. It indicates movement from outside to inside. Example: he walked into the room. 3. Onto. This word denotes movement to the top of something. Example: the cat jumped onto the table. 4. Across. It signifies movement from one side to the other. Example: he swam across the river. 5. Through. It shows movement from one end to another, passing inside something. Example: we drove through the tunnel. Now that we've seen examples, it's your turn to practice. Try forming sentences using these prepositions. Start with simple ones, and gradually make them more complex as you become comfortable with the usage. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, not a race. So, take your time, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. And that's a wrap for our quick guide to prepositions of direction. By now, you should have a better understanding of how to use these prepositions in sentences. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll master them. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, the key to learning is consistent practice. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!